What's going on, Card Pack? Today, we are going to look at the top 10 basketball cards that went up the most over the last week. Basketball season starting in about 2 months. We're into the off season, no doubt about that. In my opinion, none of this is financial advice. Please remember that. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't guarantee any outcome. I'm just sharing my opinions. I believe this is a good time to buy basketball cards because we're in the off season. The season's only 2 months away. I feel like this is just a good time because of the ups and downs of the market based around the season and the off season. So we're going to dive into some of that. But before we do, a couple reminders. We're doing the giveaway. Link for that in the description. You must be a subscriber of the channel, but the link to enter the giveaway is in the description. I think we'll do the giveaway around Labor Day. Give y'all a good amount of time to get in case you're saying they haven't heard about the giveaway or something. So I think around Labor Day is when we're going to do the giveaway. Link in description. If you want the audio from these videos, check out the podcast. Link in description for that. I don't know why it's not pulling up, but the link is in the description. Let's wait for it to pull up. Maybe not. Anyways, if you're listening on the podcast, leave a rating. I really appreciate that. As we go through these cards, I'll do buy, sell, hold. The ones I think are buys, I'll actually send out to the Card Pack newsletter before I publish the video. So join that. It is free. Link in description. But if you want my top sports card pick of the day, join the Sports Card Society, SportsCardSociety.com. It's only $12.99 a month. I mean, it's like 40 cents a day. There's a membership area. You log in. I put up a new video almost every day. I show the card, the data, the research, reasoning as to why. The videos are short. They're only about 5 minutes or less. And you get access to a Discord group, too, which is a private group. And everyone in there, they pay to be there. So they're active. They're smart. It's an excellent community. So go check that out. Grab yourself a shirt while you're at it, too. It's SportsCardSwag.com. Link in the description, plus a discount code. I just restarted my computer a bit ago, so not all these screens are up. Let's dive into the content. Number 10 on the list, Trey Young. 2019 Prism Base, pop count of 1440. Of course, Trey Young exceeded expectations. He's gotten further in the playoffs than Mr. Luka Doncic. Now, Luka's still a better player. I'm still more bullish on Luka than Trey. But Trey, I felt like Trey was not getting enough love during this season. And then he came in, and the Hawks, obviously, came in, and they made their way all the way to the Eastern Conference Finals. So I'm bullish on Trey Young, and I think the market's is giving Trey Young more respect than he had. He's back to where he actually probably should be or around there. By the way, hit that like button. Super supports the channel. But only hit the like button if you're awesome. Hit the dislike button if you're a loser. Yep, those are the two choices. Loser or awesome. 12 sales on the week, up 24%. Let's pull up the chart. Of course, we're in the market movers tool here. We pulled up basketball in the grade PSA 10. PSA 10 because the entire market's based off the PSA 10 price. And this market movers tool, most important thing I use sports card investing. In my opinion, you just got to have it. I don't know how you do sports card investing without it. I'll put a link in the description for it with a discount code. Discount code is Society. You'll get 20% off your first month or your first year, whichever subscription you choose. So this is Trey Young, 2019 Prism. This is his second-year card, not a rookie. I'm not big on second-year cards. Started the week at $33.77, ended the week at $32, but there was a high sale of $42.50. I think that's what threw the numbers off. I would definitely be probably a hold or a sell on that card. I'm not big on the second-year cards. Deandre Hunter, 2019 Prism. It's number 9 on the list. Base, pop count of 1176 in case you're newer to this. Pop count means this card in this grade. That's how many of them currently exist. 7 sales in the week, so pretty low sales volume. Very low. Well, not very low. Just, I guess it's a little over 0.5%. Trey Young was almost 1%. We'd like to see 1% plus. But anyways, I digress. This card's up almost 25%. Deandre Hunter. I'm not the biggest Deandre Hunter fan. Or not fan, just like buyer of his cards. Fine player. $37 to start the week, $43 to end the week, had a high sale of $60 apparently. Let's pull that back 30 days. I mean, what's this card been doing over 30 days? Give us a better snapshot. Looks like it's pretty flat. 30 days ago it was 41, 43, 30, now it's at 43. So I think it's 43 is the real value of this card. I don't buy Deandre Hunter, but if you feel the need to buy Deandre Hunter, go to StarStock. because it's under $50. Anything under $50, I buy on StarStock because you don't pay shipping fees, you don't pay sales tax, you can just relist it instantly. Not as many eyeballs on StarStock as there are on eBay, but the numbers make sense for cards under $50, in my opinion. I'll put a link in the description for StarStock with promo code SportsCardConsultant. You'll get $10 free when you deposit $10 or more. But on this card, I'd be a hold, maybe even a sell. Next on the list, Tyler Hero 2019 Donruss, pop count of 625. I'm actually surprised at how low that pop count is. 10 sales on the week, up almost 26%. Tyler Hero, he's fallen a long ways from, he's fallen on his butt, price-wise. Had that wonderful playoffs in 2020, and then, basically, he didn't do anything in 2021 in this most recent season. Nothing. $27 to start the week, $33 to end the week. Let's pull it back let's go 90 days. I'm not the biggest Tyler Hero fan either. If you need to buy Tyler Hero cards, again, I do StarStock because of the price point. Over 90 days, this card's gone down, but we have found some support, maybe even trending up. Let's pull it back 30 days. It's interesting. See, this is why you got to have these charts, so you can see what's going on. You can see momentum. $26 30 days ago, and now latest sale $33. Sale before that was $30. Sale before that was $26. High sale of $41. Overall, yeah, it does kind of look like you can see the dotted line there, and I confirm it. It does look like this card is trending up, but I'm not a buy on it. I'd be a hold. I'd probably be a hold, maybe even a sell, but probably a hold just because of where we are in the off season. I'm not looking to sell many basketball cards until at least late September. If I were to buy this card, I'd definitely buy it on StarStock because it's under that $50 mark. Next on the list, Ja Morant, 2019 Optic Base, pop count of 66.33. 28 sales on the week. Not a big sales volume. Up 27%. That's fine because of where we are in the off season. You don't expect the sales volumes to be insane. I remember when this card was a lot more than this. Down here, start the week. It's at about $94. Ends the week at $117. Just nothing but an uptrend there. That's interesting. Let's pull back 30 days. Now, Ja Morant is someone that I've been recommending to the society for a month or more because I feel like his cards hit a price, hit a support level, hit a bottom. As you can see here, pulled it back 30 days. 30 days ago, this card was $95, and until recently, this card just stayed around $95, and now it kind of pumped up a bit. Now it's over 100. I expect it to stay over $100 now. Let's go back 90 days. It was up here, and it came down here. And when I started seeing it around $100, even going under 100, that's when I started recommending it to the society. And a lot of Ja Morant cards, actually, because it's like, what more could you want out of a guy? He made the playoffs this year. He's progressing nicely. You got to like Ja Morant. You just do. And here we are trending up. So, and I expect that trend to continue. You would expect Ja Morant to be one of the first to really start trending up. So on this card, let's look at it 30 days again. I still think it has higher to go. Let's pull it back, 90 days again. Sorry, let me look at that again because I really want to dive in on this one. Here's sales up around 135. High sale looks like about almost 140. Let's go back over. I think it's found a good level of support here around a Hondo. I think, me and the society were buying it for a little under 100 before. There's a nice auction going on. Let's go to eBay and check this out. The buy it now is these. I think I have that card. Oh, PSA 9. 105. That's fair. Got any best offers? No. I like this 105. I think I can dig on that. Let's go to 7 days real quick. Because the latest sale was 117. Sale before that 108. Sale before that 114. 105 seems fair to me. Plus there's 7 watchers on it. I'm a buy on this particular listing. Because if I can get this card for under $110, I'm a buy on it. Because I think it can get to 100. I think its roof is maybe 200, but I think reasonably between 150 and 175. Again, nothing I'm saying is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my opinion as a guy that looks at a lot of cards. But I'm a buy on that, so I'll put a link in the description to that. Again, I'm going to be sending this out to the Card Pack newsletter before this video publishes, and there's only one listing, so join the newsletter if you want to really get the best jump on this stuff. But there's auctions going on for this card too. So I'm a buy on that. I'm a buy. Next on the list, Kobe White, 2019 Mosaic Base, pop count of 22.25. 8 sales on the week, pretty low sales volume. Up, just a shade under 30%. Let's pull up the chart, see what we're working with. By the way, if you're into crypto, I have a crypto channel too. I'll put a link in the description for that. I cover a lot of news. I go over the charts to see what the trends are, see when things are going up and when they're going down. And actually, crypto is really interesting because you can make money when things go down. If you want to learn more about that, just check out the channel, link in the description. Kobe White here. So this card started the week at $20, ended the week at $27.50. Nothing but a nice trend up there. You know, Mosaic. I like Mosaic as a product. Let's put back 90 days. If I were buying this card, though, of course I'd buy it on StarStock because of the price point. This card's been holding pretty damn steady around $25. I could be a buy on that. I'd be a buy or a hold, but I'm not going to put a link in the description for that because go to StarStock if you want to buy it. I wouldn't buy it on eBay. Next on the list, LeBron James, 2018 Optic Base, pop count of only 1738. I thought the pop count on that was much higher. 12 sales on the week, decent sales volume, under 1%, but for the off season, etc., I think that's pretty good. Up almost 35%, just a little under 35%. Let's pull up the chart. I'm not the biggest fan of these any LeBron Laker rookie cards. Started the week at 39, ended the week at 57, and a sale before that of 46. There's a sale of 43. So I think if you can get it under $40, it's probably a deal. Let's pull it back 90 days. Looks like we have hit a bottom about almost 2 months ago. Looks like about 35 to $40 is the bottom. Maybe 38 to be more accurate. I wouldn't buy this card for multiple reasons. You can't buy it on StarStock because you can only get rookies on StarStock. On eBay, it's under $50, so I'm paying shipping and sales tax. Although this card was, I see up here, it's up to like $91. Let's pull back 365 days. Maybe it is a decent buy. During the bubble, this card was insane. $400 during the bubble. It's just stupid. And it's just come down. It's done nothing but really go down for a year. Has it hit the bottom? Probably. So there's just not much more to go down. It's LeBron. It's his Laker rookie optic. Probably the bottom. Probably this, $40-ish mark. But then what's the ceiling? Here it was back here at, it's just sitting around Hondo, and now it's come down. I don't know. I don't want it. I'd be a hold on that card. Next on the list, Zion Williamson, 2019 Prism Fireworks. I like these fireworks cards. This is a rookie card. Pop count of only 557. 8 sales on the week, up almost 42%. So we're over the 1% sales volume. But when cards have a sub 1,000 pop count, it's very easy for them to get to 1%. So I like to see more like 1.5%, 2%. But either way, he was about 1.5%. I dig that. 125 to start the week, 165 to end the week. Pop count of only 557. Frankly, I might rather have this than his base, which is pop count of pushing 20,000. I like this card. Much more scarce. I'd say there's about 20,000 Prism bases, which, if the Prism base goes up, this goes up. That's kind of the problem with this. So, it's rarer. It's Prism base. This is going to go along with the Prism base, and the market cap, which is the price of one card times all of the cards in existence of that particular card. So if it's 20,000 pop count, the market cap would be 20,000 times the price of one card, which I think is around $400 right now. So it's a big market cap, and it's just hard for that to double. I think this one can jump up more because the price point is so, it's less than half of the base. But I like this. I'd rather have this than the base, and it's a lot cheaper and it's a lot more scarce. Began the week at 125, had a low sale at 91. I think that's just kind of someone got a deal there. Then 135, ended the week at 165. Let's go back 90 days. Zion's been in the offseason for months. Because not only did he not make the playoffs or the play-ins, he got hurt a bit at the end of the season and didn't play at all. Here we are at 150 back in May. And then 165 today. So actually this card's been fairly sideways around 150 to 160. Let's go back 180 days because I want to see what it was in April. Here's the high, of course, in about March, about 311. Going down, down, if I ever did anything to you. So April, this card was pushing, we were in the 200s, 420. Going on 420, it was going for 237. It looks like we've hit a good level of support here for 90, about at least 60 days. Maybe about 90 days. I'd just rather have this card. Let's go to eBay and take a look. I've talked about this card here now for a decent amount of time on this video. Let's go take a look. 55? No. Okay. It's probably, we'll make an offer on that. Now, what were we looking at? Let's go to 30 days again. I thought the value is probably about, 114. Maybe I'm reading this wrong. Let's go back to 90 days. Yeah, 147. Yeah, okay. I'd say more 145 to 155 is maybe what I'm looking at here. Yeah, I think that's probably about. So people are getting deals, though. Interesting. Are there any auctions? Let's see if there's any auctions. No. If I could get this for 145, again, it's why it's so important to have these charts, because I can really sit here and just make these decisions like this and have them straight clear in front of me, the data. Yeah, I feel pretty good about 145. If this guy would take an offer of 145 or less, I'd be a buy on that. So I'll include a link in the description for that card. I'm going to go get a COVID test here in about less than 30 minutes. I diagnosed COVID about 30-ish days ago, so I'm going to take another COVID test, see if there's how much remnants, if any, are still in my system. Next on the list, Ja Morant, 2019 Chronicles Flux, pop count of 595, 10 sales in a week, good sales volume, up 42%, so I'm going to speed this up a bit. Be sure to hit that like button, yeah, baby, and enter the giveaway too, link in the description. Flux, yeah, I don't love that card. Started the week at 40, ended the week at 60. Let's pull it back 90 days. But it is Ja Morant. Pop count of only 595. Looks like we found some good stability around, I'd say $50. If I were to buy this, I'd buy it on Starstock. If it's on Starstock, if not, I would just be a hold on that card. Next on the list, Jarrett Culver, Minnesota Timberwolves, 2019 Prism Base, pop count 1354, 18 sales in a week, good sales volume, up 65%. Let's pull up the chart, baby. What do we got? Culver, Timberwolves. They're destined to be terrible forever. $16 to start the week, $26 to end the week. Let's pull back 90 days. Culver, I mean, he's got an opportunity, I guess. If you're a Timberwolves fan like I am, I'd buy it on Starstock and just sit on it. Other than that, as an investment, in my opinion, not financial advice, I wouldn't buy it. I'd just kind of hold it. Next on the list, LeBron James, and it's number 1 on the list, by the way. 2014 Prism number 1 Superstars. Interesting card. Pop count of only 145, 7 sales on the week, up 80%. Oh, that's number 1 on the list. Let's pull this up. I don't even know what this card is, I don't think. Interesting. So it's got a Prism insert. 97 to start the week, 175 to end the week. Let's pull back 90 days. Pop count's very low. Only 145. So not going to be a whole lot of sales data. 118 90 days ago, went down to 97. I think this is just kind of a jump up too high a sale. I don't think I'd buy this card, but let me go back 180 days. Interesting. Yeah. No, I don't think I'd be a buy. I think I'd be a hold on this card, though. Just cuz. So that was the list. Only 2 buys on the list, even though we are deep in the basketball season. Or off season, excuse me. So I still think it's a good time to be looking at basketball cards in general. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the sub button, enter the giveaway link in description. Sports Card Society, Mark Movers Tool, everything links in description. But yeah, I think it's a good time to buy basketball, baby. I really do. I got to get that COVID test, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you for watching. Thanks for spending this time with me. Card Pack, you're awesome. Stay classy. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.